Why is it important to surround yourself with people who are better than you? The answer to that question will be found in this daily dose of public speaking wisdom. In some of my previous videos, I've talked about my experiences in improv. I've been taking classes for about 6 months now. This past weekend, I had an opportunity to take place in an informal competition. 2 teams of 5 improvers got together, and the audience voted on the best team. When I got there, I discovered I was the least experienced improver on my team. Full transparency, I was intimidated by this. I have a lot of experience on stage in front of groups, and I'm good with prepared material. Improv, I'm still getting comfortable with, and being the least experienced made me feel like, I don't know if I have anything to offer. Now, to credit my team, they were great. They understood the situation, and in improv, an important mantra is trust your teammates, and they absolutely did that with me. They gave me the opportunity to contribute. If they saw that I was struggling a little bit, they jumped right in and helped me, and we actually did a pretty good job. We didn't win the competition, but it was fun. And I learned so much just watching these experienced people. That's why it's important to surround yourself with people who are better or more experienced than you. If you are constantly the best presenter or the best salesperson or the best leader in the room, it's going to be hard to learn new ideas and improve yourself. You might reinforce habits, strategies, techniques you've already learned, but you're not stretching yourself. I was uncomfortable. I stretched myself, and when it was over, I had new ideas. I'll be a better improver, which will make me a better speaker and a better coach because I've learned new ideas. My challenge to you is this: get out of your comfort zone. Go to groups where the speakers are better than you. The salespeople are better. If you're in improv, go get around better improvers. You will learn through your discomfort. You'll grow, and you'll be more effective down the road. Talk to you on our next daily dose of public speaking wisdom.